are wondering which app these VR glasses actually uses and what you actually need to do to actually watch some content on these glasses. So first, when it comes to the official app, there's actually no official app for these glasses, and there are several different ways how you can actually watch content and use them. So probably the easiest is if you simply open up your YouTube app, so the YouTube app basically, so not from the browser but through the app. So then if you search for some VR videos, so simply select some video you want to watch, and yeah, basically in a compatible video. So if you open it up, so let's skip these stupid ads. So yeah, anyway, as you see, this is kind of like 360 video, so we can like move around and see around us. And basically in this video you will see this glasses thing over here. So if you click this, okay, so it will actually convert to this special view designed for VR glasses. So you see, we can actually see all around us here. And then once you insert in your glass, so you see we have this line over here, simply matched up to this arrow here. So slide it inside, and then you can view. So yeah, it actually looks absolutely awesome. And yeah, you have these adjustments here that we can use to adjust the focus essentially of the lens. So you see, if I like turn it, it comes in and out, and also the central adjustment also adjusts the basically the spread of the stuff. Again, so probably the YouTube is the best app for this to watch some content random. Also, for example, if you go in Play Store basically and search for VR games, there are also like a bunch of VR games that we can also play. So if you're wondering if you can use this on any game, then obviously nope. There are only like a few specific games that are actually compatible with this. For example, some roller coaster game, maybe some shooters here. So essentially in these games, for example, this one is decent, VR haunted house essentially. So essentially you get placed in a room, and yeah, basically as you wear it, you can also like walk around the room. So let's click new game here. Yeah. Okay. So essentially you can control things by simply looking at them. So you see it will start the game, for example, and then you see you are essentially walking around the room, and there will be some zombies that are coming up to you. So again, you can easily like look around basically and walk through the room basically. Once you insert, again, look for this like line here matched up with that arrow, and you are really good to go essentially. Also, there is this app called VR Media Player essentially, where you can load even your own pictures and videos, or own basically convert to the special format. So you see, it essentially is kind of like room. Okay, so again, we have the glasses thing over here. It will convert basically to this view. So you see, if you click this here, you can essentially choose the image basically that you want to convert, or also you can choose like a video as well here basically in this application. So this also works actually very good. So yeah, if you're wondering if there's any specific app that you have to actually use with these glasses, then obviously there's no app. You simply have to get your own content either from YouTube, simply download it from somewhere, or kind of make your own, I guess. Anyway, good luck.